Welcome in this video. In this video you are gonna see the part of the Morph Airdrop testnet that I'm gonna share with you today. So the additional task they added, after main phase. So you are seeing that here on the post that I screenshotted already. So here is written by the first, definify money market is now live. Holistic testnet, try ping pong and earn Morph testnet, redeemable for airdrops. Okay, so it is just kind of like DeFi type of thing, and here is they added testnet feature. You can test their blockchain, you can interact with their blockchain, in using faucet. Okay, so everything is very simple. You will get faucet through their website. You don't need to go outside of their website. Okay, so here is already you are seeing your destination, your website. So click on here and go to your website where you will see your interface. Okay, so now I'm opening my Mises browser. Wait a minute here. With ping pong website, here you need to do just stack. Okay, the testnet token. Okay, you don't need to use any freaking your real money. Everything is pretty much free here. Just you interact with their blockchain, and end of the day they will check that you interacted or not, and based on that check you will get eligible. If you do truly, you will get real money. Okay, so that is the thing. So my website is in trouble. I'm solving. So if you face any problem with that, what you need to do, just change your IP. You can change your IP two-way. Just turn your VPN, and you can tap on airplane mode. So these two options is for you. So now click on this connect wallet, and here is for you a recommendation, the MetaMask, the best wallet ever. So try to accomplish task by MetaMask. That would be better for you in order to done task quickly. Okay, so what you need now is just put your password here, and I'm showing you. Okay, 1 2 3. Let me see, 1 2 3 here. Okay, those are watching my video. Maybe you have experience, you already participated before in Airdrop, you know how to do all sort of thing and how this thing is work. So if you naive, you don't know anything about that, you feel complicated or everything is complicated, if you think so like this, I would suggest you just participate on 2 3 4 1 year 2 year, just gain experience about crypto. Okay, so click on this next connect in order to getting this task done, and now click this sign button that you are one of this exactly this browser. However, it is loading still. Wait here and click on this sign button, and the ping pong again is loading. Maybe it will be connect now, so wait here. So already connected. Now what we need to do, I've already, if you noticed here task option, here you need to connect your Twitter here and your Discord, and you will get your faucet. Okay, okay, so here is your when you done this to work, here is your token would be pop up, your faucet would be pop up, like for donning this work. Okay, you will get some faucet, and you can climb, you have a climb option here. Okay, so after that what you need to do, step on claim, or maybe I've already done in the morning. Now I'm night, I'm recording this video. And second is bridging. Okay, so click on this bridge button after getting faucet, and maybe you are seeing that I already get MGRT in the Holesky network. So let's say I wanna bridge MGRT to Holesky to Morph Testnet network. I wanna MGRT to MGRT. I wanna send into Morph Testnet. So click on this switch in order to accomplish that task. Okay, so that is pretty much now is loading. Wait. Okay, click on here and click on this bridge button. Same thing would be happen. Your MetaMask get notified by your attempting. Okay, so click on this confirm button. Click this confirm button and your task will be executed. Okay, it is loading. Okay, I'm showing you. So still loading, you are seeing here, and when it will be done, here is MetaMask will send us notification slightly, and yeah, that there is a get conversion transaction, and here is blue option will be pop up. Pretty simple, straightforward. uh, if you don't need to, like, if you do Morph Testnet, this task is for you. If you don't do yet, this task is for you too. Okay, so our confirmation is done. Okay, so now what you need to do, just transfer some MLPT. Let's say I wanna do 10 get Testnet for cash. Okay, after transfer Holesky network to Morph Testnet, your these two token there is unknown, and go to this point section. I'm showing you this point section. Okay, our base successfully done. Now if you want to do that, do this like MLPT. Okay, we done first one. Now I'm click on second one. So the process is same. I don't wanna waste time. I don't wanna, like, make this video long. Pretty simple. I wanna make this video. So, like, the testnet is how much you can use their website. That's it, nothing else. Okay, so now let's say we done both of. Now it's loading. Just I'm giving you example. Let's say we done both of. Click on this point button, and this same page will be pop up here. So our last task is, what is our last task is, maybe something like that. We stack and earn. So click on this button, and here you have two options that two token would be pop up, and it's coming soon. It's like, been below two token. So first click on here in order to doing. Okay, so here is, let's say I no let's say I wanna do 5, switch to more Holesky. Same, I'm showing you entirely. So wait a minute here. Click on this Morph switch network and click on this stack button. MetaMask will get notified by your attempting that you want to do this task. Exactly what you need to do, just check out their website, like use their website. You don't need to spend your one money here. Okay, and that is the most interesting thing. Even there's a lot of people that think that crypto kind of thing is one of the freaking complicated thing. And okay, our task already done stacking. Now we're gonna stack the second token that we have. So click on here, let's say another 6. Okay, anyhow, click on this stack button. Same, and your work is done now. Okay, this is the task, that is Morph Testnet, and yeah, click on this confirm button and your work is done. They will check while they will consider to select eligibility, that who worked, who doesn't work, who didn't work, all sort of thing. At the time you will be eligible because you've done this work. So this is the video. See you later in the next time. Until that, happy hunting.